When the iPad was released 3 years ago, some jokingly panned it for being too large. A 10-inch touchscreen device. Who would want to carry such a thing? IdeaCentre had just a huge phone. With today's truly plus-sized slates. Those criticisms seem humorous for a different reason. There are now several available, or soon to be available, like the U, and the XA0, and the biggest of them all is the IdeaCentre Horizon. Lenovo's U was quick to point out that the all-in-one, which features the unusual combination of a 27-inch display with an internal battery, is not a tablet. Instead, the company branded it as a table PC that promised to bring the entire family together. In fact, Intel's press conference at CES 2013 featured the Horizon, which was used by a small family to play Monopoly and view photos. When not used for game night. However, the Horizon is a large all-in-one PC with specifications similar to the existing U. Our review unit arrived with a Core i5-3337U processor, a GeForce GT 620M discrete graphics solution, and 8 GB of RAM. The retail price of this configuration is $1,499, which seems a bit steep. Let us hope the internal battery and unique design make it a worthwhile value. At first glance, the Horizon IdeaCentre look much different from other all-in-ones. The attractive stand found on the Lenovo A series would get in the way of table use, and the company replaced it with a simple, yet sturdy, prop stand. This means the display's bottom edge rests on the desk or table beneath it, a design trait common among inexpensive all-in-ones. This cheapens the PC's look, yet also has functional purpose. Users can retract the prop stand into the computer by simply flipping it, which lets the Horizon rest flat. Though the display is large, the chassis is barely more than an inch thick, which gives users the illusion that the touchscreen is part of the surface it is sitting on. This is no bulky addition. Life as a table PC might be harsh, so Lenovo has lined the Horizon's edges with rubber. Once again, this feels cheap, but makes good practical sense. Accidental bumps shouldn't cause any damage. The display's glass appears thick as well. Lenovo replaces physical buttons with touch to control system functions like volume, which means there are no buttons.